Home Alarm by Stellan Kim. My goals are to trigger the alarm when something gets very close, and the lights have to turn on the closer something is, and there has to be a way to untrigger the alarm. My building and design. The project is mostly about the ultrasonic sensor. I built a small house out of cardboard and hot glue to hide the contraptions. I used a program called Coral Draw to get the shape of the cardboard. I used different colored LEDs to show how close something the ultrasonic sensor detects. Programming. I used Raspberry Pi, which is programmed with Python 3.9.2. I programmed each light to turn on depending on the ultrasonic sensor. I used a special formula that makes the output on the Python shell measured in centimeters. Testing and rethinking. I added a button to stop the alarm after it's triggered. Demonstration.
My ears little don't hurt.
Hey, can you explain to us what you're doing?
I'm putting something close to the ultrasonic sensor to make the alarm go off.
Can you show us?
Thank you for listening.
All right. Does anyone have any questions for him?
I do. So does that, are those sensors actually what, like real home alarm sensors or systems use? That kind of thing? So like at, at grandma's house, you know how they have the alarm? Is that what they use, you think?
We kind
Really
of
the
use
home
a
alarm
sensor that detects when something's close.
Uh-huh. So is that what they do use?
Yeah. So we have there's different. All right. Let's give Stellan a round of applause.